Hello, BoosturBrain friends. I'm super excited to start our Montessori pre-reading activity series for little ones aged 2 years and above. Today, we're diving into picture-to-picture matching, an activity that focuses on visual discrimination. It's like a fun game that helps those tiny minds start their journey toward reading skills. Get ready for some exciting activities to make those young minds think and learn. Take a look at these amazing picture cards. The best part? You can make them at home. If you prefer, you can also find similar cards in the market. Or if you're interested, you can purchase them directly from us by contacting boosterbrain.sales@gmail.com. In this video, we'll explore how picture-to-picture matching helps your child develop important visual discrimination skills. It's a fantastic way to enhance their ability to recognize and match similar images. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Encourage your child to grab the picture cards and start matching. Whether it's animals, objects, or shapes, this activity lays the foundation for visual discrimination, a crucial skill in early childhood development. Here's an extra fun tip. These cards can also be a part of an enjoyable game that not only fun, but also gives memory a boost. Keep all the picture cards upside down in 2 groups. Now, take turns picking 2 cards, one from each group. If they match, great. Keep them and pick again. If not, put them back in their places and remember where they are. Now it's the other player's turn. This game is not just about matching, it's also a fantastic way to enhance memory. Thank you for joining me in this picture-to-picture matching adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more BoosturBrain Montessori fun. Until next time, happy matching. Bye-bye.